Let's take a look at how customer reviews our Maunder M22 in detail.
Hello, my name is Miklink. I'm from Estonian company Metsa Ader, and I want to show you new soil preparation machine UOT Green M22. This machine makes mounds. I'll show you like this, and here will be planted some trees. This UOT M22 is a Latvian brand. This one is quite new, only 60 hours, and I will tell you why I like this and why I choose it instead of Swedish Bracke. Is that this one I have tested and compared, and I like the results of this work. It makes really nice mounds because of this wide blades. They're specially designed for this Baltic or Latvian Estonian soils where are no stones, more flat areas, and on my opinion it makes really good job. The other thing is that this machine is quite simple. It is important that every machine when used gets broken, and when it's simple thing I can understand it and I can fix it quickly, and it's cheaper for me. So this is why I like this UOT. I'm also using UOT disc trenching scarifiers, UOT 2000 and UOT 3000. They are doing a good job. I'm working with them in Estonia and also in Latvia, and in these conditions they are doing at their best. And this mounder uses Parker hydraulic management system. It's very good because my base machine Metsis, made in Estonia, uses the same Parker system. Parker is from the United States, and those two things are working together very nice. So thank you, UOT, and good luck.
uotforest.com